morning, guys. I literally just woke up. Do I sound like it? Because I did. I thought I was sleeping in today, but one of you amazing people hit me up this morning like, hey, there's a deal at Walgreens. So, yeah, no, I don't usually come to Walgreens. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go. So it's a nice money maker. I'm going to share with you guys super quick. I did record a little bit in the store. So big razors, it's the easy rinse. It's this one here. Okay, there's a free offer on Ibotta for one of each, right? Getting back $8.99. And this week they are buy one get one 50% off, and it's also buy two get $2 registry reward, which I'm thinking of going in there and using mine right now because I don't know when the next time I'll be here at Walgreens. I also have a a coupon for $7 Walgreens cash when you spend $25 as well. I haven't been here in forever, y'all. So we're gonna grab one of them at $8.49, and we're gonna grab one at $4.24, right? $4.24. So our total's gonna come to $12.73. Now there is a $3 digital on the app you can clip and use, which would bring your total down to you paying $9.73 before tax, and then you're gonna get back $8.99 times 2 from Ibotta, and then you're gonna get back $3 on ShopMe, Alexa, or coupons.com. So it's gonna end up being an $11.25 moneymaker, which is awesome. On top of that, you got back the $2 as well, so it makes it a $13.25 moneymaker. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this video edited. It shouldn't take long to edit because it'll be really quick, so that you guys can run into this deal, because as y'all know, the rebates on Ibotta, the freebies, never last long. And sometimes even if you clip it, well, if you clip it, at least it saves it for you for a while, but it can still run out on you, and you won't have it even in your on your list. So I'm gonna try to get this video posted for you guys as soon as I can. I'm gonna go back home. I thought I was sleeping in today, y'all. And I literally jumped up really quick, threw on some leggings, some tennis shoes, and a hoodie, fixed my ponytail real quick, and ran out to get this moneymaker. So I will leave it there, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.